We do offer some medium-duty repair work here at 3D Auto Repair. One of the things that we do offer is engine replacement. As you can see here from the pictures, we do have a Chevy C5500, which is a medium-duty truck. It has a Duramax engine in it. The engine failed. The customer wanted to get that replaced as they have a towing service and they need to use it regularly. So we said we could go ahead and get that swapped out for them. It's also one of those vehicles where you have to remove the cab. Makes it much easier to get the engine in and out, especially with some of the other components on this vehicle with the PTO for running the hydraulic system for the rollback portion. So if you have a medium-duty truck, you're not quite sure where to get it serviced, or if you need a repair done on it, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to work through it and see if it's something that we could take care of for you. Thanks for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share the video so other people in your situation can get this information.